everyone, I'm so excited to share this video with you. Today I'm having a very excited haul. I've got a beautiful packaging from She Said Yes. They're selling the most beautiful jewelry pieces and I'm so excited to share this little haul with you. They're having an amazing Christmas sale. I will share all the links down below. I'm so in love with the packaging. It's so beautiful. It's this gorgeous box and it says She Said Yes jewelry. I love the black with the gold. It's so gorgeous. So I'm so excited to open this packaging with you today. I think these are the perfect Christmas gifts to give to your loved ones. I love the packaging, it's so gorgeous. The first thing that we've got is a best wishes to you. It's a little card. And you can say to who it is, so it's kind of like a little gift card, which is such a cute little detail. I think it's so adorable. Then there is a little 15% off. I just love this so much. It's a little coupon code. So adorable. Then you have this beautiful card in pink, which said She Said Yes jewelry. I love the pink. It's so pretty. And it's a little card for how to carefully care for your jewelry pieces. I think that's such a cute little detail. I love that it comes in this little card and then you can read it and see how to take good care of the beautiful She Said Yes jewelry pieces. So adorable. I love the pink. It's so cute. Okay, so now we're going to open it today. I'm so excited to see what's in here. Again, I just love the packaging. It's so beautiful. I just love this so much. It's like the little jewelry box with a gorgeous, like some beautiful satin fabric. It makes it look so beautiful and so classy. I just love it so much. I also love the packaging. It's a beautiful black box with gold letters which said She Said Yes jewelry. I think this is so gorgeous. I just love it so much. And then there's a little bag. Then we're having like a beautiful little She Said Yes bag. It's a cute little bag. I think it's so adorable. And some ribbons. Oh, this is so cute. So you can like pack it in with some beautiful ribbons. So adorable. Okay, so we're going to open it together. I'm so excited. I love this satin. It looks so gorgeous. So this is the box. Oh, this is so beautiful. It's this beautiful ring. I think it's so gorgeous. I think this is one of the most beautiful rings I've ever seen. It's in a beautiful gold color and it has all these little diamonds around and a gorgeous, like a square shaped diamond in the middle. It's so beautiful. It's the most gorgeous ring I've ever seen. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so gorgeous. I just love it so much. Oh, this will go so perfectly with my Christmas dress. So for when we're celebrating Christmas, I think this will look so gorgeous. I think it's the perfect little ring. It's so beautiful. I just love the little diamonds around and the gorgeous square-shaped diamond in the middle. It's so beautiful. I also love the pink, the gold color. It has such a gorgeous gold color. And yeah, I feel very expensive wearing this ring. It's so luxury and it's just breathtaking. It's the most gorgeous ring I've ever seen. And yeah, I've got it from She Said Yes, which is an amazing jewelry company. I will share the link of the website down below. They're having an amazing Christmas sale, and I will share all the details for you down below as well. I think this is the perfect gift for Christmas, and I think it's so gorgeous. I think this will be like the perfect little gift to have underneath your Christmas tree. And I just love it so much. I'm so in love with this gorgeous ring. I just love the beautiful packaging. Every snowflake is unique, just like She Said Yes Christmas gifts just for you. I got this beautiful ring and I'm so excited to share a unique 15% off discount code, which I will share for you down below. I will share all the links and the details down below as well. They're having an amazing Christmas promo. And yeah, I'm so in love with the She Said Yes jewelry pieces, and this ring is just so gorgeous. I truly feel like a little snowflake wearing this gorgeous ring. It's so beautiful and so unique. So this was my little She Said Yes gorgeous ring unboxing. I truly hope I can inspire you. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you very soon with some new inspiration. Thank you so much. Bye.